22nd, so that we can get Katie home for Christmas. But that's looking less likely. It's been cold. It's been wet.
Pretty wet there, Alex.
Yep. Had some high seas, some high winds, some rough weather, and we've had some nice days.
Original target was hopefully the 22nd, night of the 22nd. You would think we'll be lucky at the moment if things are going as they are to be in evening of the 23rd, and it may even be Christmas Eve before we land.
Hours in the rain. Oh well. 2 hours off and I can do it all over again.